Let me just share screen. Yeah, pretty much easy topic to get almost full marks. Okay. So I'm strictly going for the exam point of view. This is vector spaces and line integration. Let me. And I think for you, line integration is written, it's linear transformation. Yes. So this is a very, very important question. Problems in linear combination and linear span. So I think as you can see here, express the vector as a linear combination of vectors 1, 1, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1 of V3 of R. Okay. So very easy thing to get full mark in this. So express the vector. So that vector I'll take as V. V is equal to 3, 5, 2. Okay. And U1 is equal to what? 1, 1, 0. And what is my U2? 2, 3, 0. And what is my U3? 0, 0, 1. Okay. U1, U2, and U3 respectively. So what is my Y? V is equal to X. This is a general formula. Okay. X U1 plus Y U2 plus Z U3. So what is my U1? 1, 1, 0. Substitute here. 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then multiply this X throughout. Y throughout to this. So Y into 2, 2Y. Y into 3, 3Y. Similarly for Z also. Okay. Then add the first terms, these terms. Let me just mark it for you. X, 2Y, and 0. So X plus 2Y. X, 3Y, and 0. X plus 3Y. Then 0, 0, Z. That is Z. So X plus 2Y is equal to what? 3. Correct? X plus 2Y is equal to 3. Then X plus 3Y is equal to what? This 5. Then Z is equal to 2. Yes? Then I think you know how to solve this thing in the calculator. So do you know how to solve these two equations in the calculator? Z already, I got it. Please let me know in the chat option. So if you don't know, it is mode equation 5. Then you have to press 1. Yes. Perfect. Then once you get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, then what you have to do? See here, you got x 0, right? There you put value of x. 2y, 3y, 0, and there you put the value of y and z. That's it. Done. This they can ask for 6 or 7 mark. Simple question. Equation 1. Equation 1 is this. Here. This one, x, wherever x is there. X, y, z. Wherever you want, you can put it. Either in equation 1 or the next one. Okay. So did you understand this question? It's pretty much simple. First, I have to assume what V is equal to this for each and every question. Correct? And U1, U2, U3 will take it. Then XU1, I have to multiply it. Simple only. Then I have to equate to these terms. Did you understand or not? Let me know. Yes, I think then you have to try it later. Then I think it will be much more clearer. Where I'll be sharing the document. Next question is this. V is equal to 139 as a linear combination of vector u1, u2 and u3. So let V is equal to what? 139. Sonia, text the u1 is what? 213. See, I'll just write it down here. So, yeah. u1, u2 and u3. Same thing. V is equal to what? xu1, yu2, zu3. Same formula. 6 or 7 marker easily. So we should manually do this question. Then what is it? 139. This is linear transformation. 139 x is 213 and that's what 315. Then multiply this in the thing. That's it. Then add all the first terms equal to 1. Similarly, second and third. Then once you get a 3 equation, go to mode equation 5, option 2. Solve it and substitute it in first equation. This equation is substitute. Done. Simple. So I hope you can try these questions later. Yeah. So in the college, what they will do is, if I take these questions, let's take this question. U1 we are getting, U2 we are getting, U3 we are getting, right? And V is 421. So XU1 plus YU2 plus ZU3, we did it. Then what we are getting, later on we can write it down, okay? We'll multiply X into this full, Y into this fully, and Z into this fully. Correct? So X minus 3XX and everything. And Y. So I'm getting these three terms, right? Then I'll write this as A matrix. This is 1, 0, 5. And what is my B? This term 4, 2, and 1. Correct? Yes. Then I'll do the row column transformation or elementary. The rank, what we do, right? That we will do it. We'll make a triangle here. Correct? But my point is very simple. Once you get the three equations, use the calculator and do it. And if you want to show, you can just show this. Okay, if you want, you can just show it. And rank of the matrix is 1, 2. Sometimes they will ask this also. Okay, rank of the matrix is 2. Because full 0 thing will eliminate. So 1, 2. So rank of the matrix is 2. Okay, and what are possible solutions? 3. X, Y, Z are there, so 3 possible solutions. Okay, so that is the thing. So only up to this you can write. We need not even tell other things also in the examination. See the next one. Determine whether the matrix is a linear combination of these A, B, C, D. Simple thing. A is equal to what? XB plus YC plus ZD. That you have to do first. First one, this is my A. Other three things I'll put B, C, D. Then XYZ. Correct? Then what is x plus 2y is equal to minus 1? Correct? Then here x plus 2y is equal to the minus, same thing only here. Same as in equation 1. Then 3x plus y is equal to 7. And this is nothing but 8. Then I know that you know how to solve it using calculator. Don't do it manually, use calculator and do it. Then you'll be getting the equation of what x, y, and z value in the calculator will be getting. And substitute. Similarly, the next question also, I think, yeah. The next few questions are same. See, if I take this question, Okay, again, linear independent and dependency, I'll come back to it later, but in today's session, let us understand what is what. X is equal to 1, 2, 4, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Linearly dependent, I told. Correct. And I'll give you the notes of what is linear dependent, what is linear independent. That will be shared in the notes when session is over, self-readable, so that you don't need my help. But while solving the problems, I'll tell you. So till now, we only had what? Three variables, X, Y, and Z. But how many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are here. Correct? So X, Y, Z, and U respectively. So X into 1, X, X into 2, 2X, X into 4, 4X, Y into 1, Y into 0. So same thing. So how many unknowns are there? 4 unknowns are there. Correct? 4 unknowns are there. Then I know that you guys know how to make that equation. X plus Y plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So similarly do for other things. Correct? Yeah? Yes. Once you're done with all of those things, then what? Use a calculator to get the answer. Use a calculator to get what? The answer. Okay. But always apply the elementary row column translation because we need to show that we need to make a triangle. Correct? Yes. So what is the rank of the matrix? 1, 2, 3. So non-zero rows are 1, 2, and 3. But how many unknowns are there? 4 unknowns are there. 4 unknowns are there. Okay, you have to just write this, the rank. Don't write these things as of now. I'll tell you what it is later. Similarly, next question also. Prove that linearly dependent. So same story, X, 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. Nothing they given, so 0, 0, 0 I'm considering. Then frame 3 equations, do a row elementary column transformation, but before that only you'll come to know the answer. Here also we got rank is what? 1, 2, 3. And what is it? Number of unknowns is also 3. So rank of the matrix is equal to number of unknowns. Okay, rank of matrix is equal to unknowns. Similarly, these questions also. Now you don't think about what is linear dependent or independent. Now you just solve the problems. Some few problems are there in this. Okay, yeah, I hope you understood the session. Because now you can come online. I'll just forward you the thing. Yeah. I'll forward you the notes first. Yeah. Because how was it actually? Any doubt was there?
No.
I think it was pretty much easy, right? I think kind of, yeah. Only thing is, why I asked you the notes is, uh, because in the notes is there, no, what I'm trying to give you, there are some mistakes regarding dependent and linear independent. Then the last, in the notes, they might have written something called dependent and independent thing. Vikashni, which I didn't discuss during the class, right? I think interconnection is unstable or something is coming. Internet connection, I think better I'll do one thing. I will just